Hi everyone, in this video I will walk you through deploying a modern web app built with Next.js or Vite on an AWS EC2 instance using PM2 to manage the process and Nginx for production level reverse proxy. We will begin by launching a free tier Ubuntu EC2 instance. I have already created an Ubuntu EC2 instance which is this here. We will select that EC2 instance and here it is the IP. So first we will go in our terminal and in terminal we will select our SSH key. So what is SSH key? SSH key is the key to connect our this instance. So when you are creating an Ubuntu instance, you have to select an SSH key or create a new one. So I have already created an SSH key and downloaded in my system, that is this aws.pem. For connecting the Ubuntu instance with our SSH key, so for that we will run this command ssh dot ssh hyphen I path to our key. So our key name was aws.pem, aws.pem. Then Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Ubuntu at the rate our IP. So we will copy this IP and paste it over here. Enter. You can see Ubuntu is now connected to our IP. Okay. Now the next process is we will update our repositories in our Ubuntu system. So for that we will run this command sudo apt hyphen get update. So repositories are updated. So after update we will upgrade that repositories. So sudo apt hyphen get upgrade. So these are the upgrade is done. Now we will install the build essential to get those required libraries which are need to deploy the Next.js or Vite project. So the command is sudo apt hyphen get install build essential, build hyphen essential, ESSENTIL essential. After installing the build essential, we will install the Nginx for proxy reverse. So we will install Nginx in our system. So Nginx is now installed. Now we will install the NVM for that is Node, which is very important in our building process. So nvm, we will go to GitHub npm repository, then the command we will copy, we will go to terminal and we'll paste that command. So this installing process is done of nvm. We will exit now and reconnect our Ubuntu, and now we will go for nvm, and you can see that nvm is successfully installed. Now we will install the nvm latest. We will install the node version, latest version. So when you are installing the nvm, do not install it as a root user. Install it as a Ubuntu user, and then we will clone our project from the Git repository. We'll go to Git repository and we will search for our project. We'll go to our project and copy its HTTPS command and go in our git clone. We'll paste that command and enter. The repository will be is now clone, and we will install the essential node modules for our project. So for that, npm I. The packages are now installed. So after installing package, we will build an optimized version of our website. So for that, npm run build. All users does not visit in on our app on port 3000 or 4173. So for that, we will proxy pass the port 3000 or 4173 to the port number 80 or 443, which is HTTP or HTTPS. So in this, we will run the app on port number 3000 and proxy pass it to the port number 80 using Nginx. So the build is now created. So we will check is that build is created. Yes, build is created in this folder. So now we will change the directory to root directory cd, enter. So root directory is there, and we will run this command sudo nano. Nano is a editor. You can use gm or any other favorite editor. So and in this we will edit the server name. So in this you can add your domain also, but in our case I don't have any domain. So now I will paste my IP address. So if I run this IP address now, nothing will be run on this IP address. Okay, only you can see the Nginx and nothing will be shown after this. So I want to run my this project in this domain. Okay, so for that I will enter my domain here and save it. Okay, enter. So now the demo Nginx's configuration file is now set created. Now create a symbolic link site available to site enable. So okay, so we have created a sites enable configuration. Now we have to create a symbolic link which will connect the sites enabled to sites available. Okay, so sudo ln hyphen s. We will copy this sites available demo up to demo and space paste, and instead of this available we will enter enable. So the sites enables will be connect linked to the sites available, and then we will test the nginx. So sudo nginx hyphen t. So the test is successful, syntax is successful. Okay, so now we will restart the nginx. Sudo service nginx restart. So after restarting the nginx, when we refresh this, so nothing will be run on this. So now we have to run PM2 for the process management. Okay, so to deploy that our production build in the port 4173. Okay, so we will for that we will install the nginx, and so for that npm hyphen I npm I hyphen g PM2. So when we use hyphen G, the package will be installed globally in our system. Okay. So package is installed. So We will go to our project directory with curse, enter, and run this command PM2 start npm hyphen name deployed Vite project hyphen start, enter. So you can see the project is now successfully deployed and the status is now online, and memory usage of our system is 32.8 MB. Okay, so we will test the PM2 PM2 ls, and yeah, it is live. So when we refresh this domain now, you can see my project is now live. And that's it. You developed your app with production grade tooling. Feel free to connect or drop your questions in comments. Thank you.